Hi everyone, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Gmail notifications not working. So in order to you guys turn off notifications on your Gmail, you basically have two options. The first option is to get into your Gmail application and then click on the three lines at the top right corner. And then scroll down and click on Settings. And then click on General Settings. After that, tap on Manage Notifications. And now as you guys can see, you have all the Gmail notifications right here. So now just make sure to turn all these notifications on. Also, the second option you guys need to check is to go to your phone settings and scroll down until you find notifications. And then tap on app notifications from over here and make sure to search for Gmail. So we have it right here. So now just make sure to turn this button off, which is the notifications basically. And I'm pretty sure that all your notifications will be on in your Gmail account. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Take care until next video.